track the effects of Tropical Storm Michael and the gusty winds it brought with it to our area.
Out on Tybee Island, that still means you do need to watch out for dangerous rip currents and high waves out there in the water. WSAV's Joanne Merrigan has been on Tybee Island all morning. She joins us now live with the very latest. Joanne, good morning to you.
Hey, good morning, Ben and Kim. Well, it's much the same as it was all day long. The gusty winds really doing a number on the waves here, and folks just warned to stay out of the water. You know, Tybee officials have been worried about this for a number of days, and the winds just continue to make conditions dangerous, making for high waves and very, very dangerous rip currents, and they say they just can't stress that enough. Going to direct your attention to these double red flags, which means that there is a no swim advisory here. Now, you can see that there are some folks gathering out there on the pier. We are seeing more and more folks gathering out here, looking at the water, looking at the waves, and that's because, you know, the clouds have dissipated and the sun is out. But again, they are warned to stay out of the water. We have at some point seen some city personnel, I think the rescue personnel, driving the beach and making sure that people stay out of the water. Did see one surfer, though, that snuck in there. Hopefully he knows what he's doing. But again, folks are being warned to stay out of the water. Now, city officials, we see a rescue guy coming right here. I don't know if you can see that. He's underneath the pier. He's driving right here in that Jeep. So again, they're kind of patrolling the beach, making sure that people stay out of the water. And that's just, again, for the safety of folks who may want to come and take a look at these waves, because they're really something to see. They're spectacular, but it's very dangerous. Again, the rip currents can take people by surprise, and it's just not a safe thing to do, even if you think you're a good swimmer. Now, City Manager Sean Gillen told me that they didn't have any other problems locally. No downed trees, no power outages. Again, the issue here is these gusty winds and beach safety, and there is a no swim advisory here at Tybee. Reporting live from Tybee, I'm Joanne Merrigan, WSAV News 3.